Hello everyone. In this video, we will talk about how do we handle JSON data in JavaScript. Handling JSON data in JavaScript is straightforward due to built-in methods for parsing and signifying JSON. Here's a brief explanation with example. Parsing JSON. To convert a JSON string into JavaScript object, use JSON.parse. Example. Const JSON string. Here we are some object, okay, which call JSON string. This JSON string we are converting as a uh, JSON string converting as a JavaScript object. JSON.parse JSON string, we are passing this JSON.string here as a parameter. If we printing now JSON.object.name, then it will give output like John, age 30, city New York. Signifying JSON. To convert JavaScript object into JSON string, first we are converting that JavaScript uh, JSON string into JavaScript object. Second, signifying to convert JavaScript object into JavaScript string. Use JSON dot signifying. Const JSON object. This is the JavaScript object. Okay. Then const JSON dot signifying JSON dot object. Console dot log JSON string. Then output is a here same. Handling JSON in Ajax request. When dealing with server response or request in Ajax, JSON is commonly used. For example, using fetch to get JSON data from the API. Fetch API, fetch HTTP, this API URL, then response JSON, then data, catch error if there is an error. Example, fetch sends a request to the signified URL, then catch and then respond to JSON, pass the JSON response, then data, handle the pass data. Full example. Here is the complete example combine the parsing and signifying JSON. JSON string, parse JSON string into JavaScript object, JSON parse, and modifying JavaScript, convert JavaScript object into JSON string. JSON string, this will be JSON dot signify JSON object. This illustrates now how to parse a JSON string into the object, modifying the object, and convert it back into the JSON string. Simply we'll simply we can convert JSON object to JSON string to JSON object. JSON string to JSON object can be converted into JSON dot parse. Okay, and JSON object to JSON string can be converted into JSON dot signify. Stringify, STRINGIFY. Okay, this is all about how do we handle JSON data in JavaScript. uh, in next video we will talk about what is Ajax and how do we use it. Thanks for watching. We will meet in the next video.